Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by placing your palm just behind the bridge. This gives controlled damping. Make sure your fingertips clear the strings so notes ring when wanted. The meat of your palm should rest lightly. Once in position, hold the pick between thumb and index with a slight downward angle. That angle helps you skim and mute simultaneously. Do a slow open string downstroke to test. Adjust how much palm contact reduces sustain because small shifts change the tone a lot. Now focus on your strumming motion. Use mostly wrist, not big arm swings, to keep the mute consistent. Play steady downstrokes, then add up strokes, keeping the palm in contact on both. This produces the classic percussive chug. Once done, practice with subdivision, count 1 and 2, and to lock the timing, make sure to accent the downbeat so the muted pattern breathes. If you want more articulation, slightly lift the palm on offbeats to let a hint of string ring through. Finish by refining tone. Slide your palm a hair toward the neck for a looser, warmer choke. Move toward the bridge for a tight, percussive click. Practice with different pick thicknesses. Thicker picks give more attack, thinner picks reduce harshness. If you hear unwanted buzzing, slightly raise your wrist and ease lateral pressure. That reduces string rattle without losing the mute. Finally, loop short one-bar patterns at slow tempo, then increase speed. This builds consistent control and muscle memory.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.